Good morning, students. Today, new lesson, History, Unit 8, Nationalism, Gandhian Face. Listen here carefully, students. Introduction. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi arrived in India in 1915 from South Africa. When he came to India, the Indians' position were lag behind in a position. So when he entered into India, he involved in politics. After that, he insisted Satyagraha. Satyagraha means non-violence, truth. Many men and women were participated in the Satyagraha in India. In this lesson, we are going to see elaborately Indian national movement. Listen carefully, students. Gandhi and mass nationalism. Evaluation of Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born in 2nd October 1969 at Porbandar in Gujarat. 2nd October 1969, Mahatma Gandhi was born at Porbandar in Gujarat. His father's name was Kaba Gandhi. Gandhi's mother name was Putliba. After completion of Gandhi's metric education, Gandhiji went to England in 1888 for studying law. At England, he studied law. In June 1981, Gandhi came to India from England. At the time, he saw many places the racial discrimination is up. வகுப்புவாத பிரிவினைகள், racial discrimination. He saw racial discrimination everywhere in India. When he came to Durban to Pretoria by train, at the time he housed from first class compartment. The discrimination were mad when he came by the train from Durban to Pretoria. He was not permitted to travel first class compartment. So Gandhiji was angry, resented against the foreign powers, and Gandhi resented against the foreign powers, and he wanted to fight against the racial discrimination. Transvaal. When Gandhi came to Transvaal, at that time Gandhiji conducted a meeting. Many Indians were participated in that meeting regarding the redress of Indians against the racial discrimination. When the meeting were conducted, after the meeting were conducted, in Transvaal, the poll tax were levied on Indians. Indians were unable to pay the poll tax. 9 p.m. to outdoor. These unjust laws, unjust means a dishonest laws, against by the Gandhiji during that time in Transvaal. Eminent personalities. When Gandhi came to India, he attracted the eminent personalities. Eminent means famous personalities like Tolstoy and Ruskin. The Tolstoy written the kingdom of God is within you. And Ruskin's unto this last. Unto this last. These are all attracted by the leader in Indian leaders, particularly the Gandhiji. Thoreau's civil disobedience. Listen here carefully, students. Tolstoy and Ruskin, Thoreau's eminent personalities, work were attracted by the Gandhiji. The Tolstoy work, the kingdom of God is within you. Ruskin's work, unto this last. And Thoreau's work, civil disobedience movement. Then he also attracted Ruskin's phonic settlement in India. And Tolstoy's equality, community living and dignity of labor were inculcated to the Indians. Tolstoy's equality, community living and dignity of labor were inculcated to the Indians. Inculcate means to teach. Satyagraha as a strategy in South Africa. In South Africa, many Indians were followed the Satyagraha, truth and non-violence. Against the Satyagraha, the Gandhiji and other leaders, unjust laws were, dishonest laws were restricted during that time. In South Africa. In South Africa, the Indian peoples were treated as racial discrimination. The Gandhiji against the racial discrimination in South Africa. During that period, the immigrants were registered in registered offices. So, against the immigrants by the Gandhiji during that time. That's why Gandhiji was arrested. Finally, Smuts and Gandhiji agreement were made. In that agreement, poll tax were abolished. Poll tax were abolished in Indians. Noting. Once again, listen here carefully, students. Introduction. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi arrived in India in 1950 from South Africa. When he came to India, he involved in politics and he started a Satyagraha. Satyagraha means truth or non-violence. Yes, when he started the Satyagraha, many men and women were participated, followed the Satyagraha, and in this lesson we are going to see elaborately Indian national movement, Gandhi and mass nationalism. The evolution of Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born in 2nd October 1969 at Porbandar. His father's name was Kaba Gandhi and mother's name was Putliba. After the completion of metric education, he went to England for study law in 1888. Yes, after completion of the law course, he returned to India. At the time, in June 1981, Gandhi came to India. At that time, he saw many racial discriminations everywhere. So, when Gandhiji came to India, at that time, he travelled from Durban to Pretoria by train. At that time, he reserved for a first class compartment, but he was tossed from the first class compartment during that time. So, he was treated badly during that time because of racial discrimination. So, Gandhiji was resented against this. He fought against the racial discrimination during that time. Noted. Transvaal. In Transvaal, when he came to Transvaal, at that time, Gandhiji was conducted a meeting. Many people were participated to redress against the foreign countries. During the Transvaal, the Indians were levied tax. Indians want to pay the tax. They levied tax on Indians, poll tax. But Indians were unable to pay these poll tax, one. Secondly, after 9 p.m., Indians were not allowed to go outside or outdoor. So these unjust laws were prevented by the Gandhiji during that time. Eminent personalities, famous personalities. Gandhiji was attracted the famous personalities like Tolstoy, Ruskin and Thoreau. Tortoise works attracted by the Gandhiji. It was the kingdom of God is within you. Tolstoy's work. Then Ruskin's work, unto this lost. Unto this lost. This was attracted by the Gandhiji. And Thoreau's civil disobedience. These work were attracted by the Gandhiji and insisted in India. The Ruskin's phonic settlements were established in our country, and Tolstoy's equality, community living and dignity of labor were inculcated to the Indians. What are they? Tolstoy's equality, sama urimai, community living and dignity of labor were inculcated in our country. Satyagraha as a strategy in South Africa. In South Africa, Gandhiji insisted the Satyagraha. The Satyagraha were spread everywhere. Many people were followed the Satyagraha. Unjust laws were eradicated by the Gandhiji, and racial discrimination also eradicated by the Gandhiji. And in the register offices, the immigrants were registered during that time. When Gandhiji protested against this, he was arrested. Gandhiji was arrested. And finally, Smutt and Gandhiji, an agreement were made. In that, according to that agreement, the poll tax were abolished from the bonded laborers. Okay then, see you tomorrow, students.